Students, electroplating is a chemical process in which we use the electrolysis process. In this process, a thin layer of metal is deposited on any conducting substance. Thus, we can define the electroplating process as the chemical process in which a thin layer of metal deposited on any conducting substance by using electrolysis process, that is called electroplating. Example of electroplating is putting of chromium metal on bath tap, on bicycle handles, on wheel bearing, etc. Similarly, we can also make a thin layer of gold on silver ornaments. These all are the examples of electroplating. An electrolyte, that is copper sulfate. I told you about the electrolyte. Electrolyte is a solution or a liquid which decomposed by passing electricity. So this is an electrolyte. These two are one is the copper metal plate and second is key. This is battery and this is connected with the wires and this one is the switch. Now we will take this electrolyte in beaker and one copper plate which is connected with the positive terminal of battery and second key is connected with the negative terminal of battery. Positive terminal of battery, that is called anode, and negative terminal of battery is called cathode. So the substance which we want to electroplated is always connected with the negative terminal of battery, that means it is made cathode. Whose layer we want to coating, that will always connected with the positive terminal of battery, it means it always made anode. When we switch on, after passing electricity, we will observe that this copper plate start to melt and becomes thin and goes into solution. Then after, a layer of copper deposited around the key. After some time, when we switch off and put out this key from the solution, we will observe a layer of copper is deposited on the key and its shine looks like copper. So I hope you understand the electroplating. Now what is the reason why we are doing the electroplating? There are mainly two reasons for electroplating. First is, by electroplating we can protect the metal from rusting or from corrosion. And second main reason is, it gives a attractive shine on the surface of metal.